Okay guys, ever wanted to build instant trust with press mentions or quotes, but every option felt too complicated to set up? Well, this one's genuinely simple. Today we're adding this logo bar section to your store, letting you showcase logos alongside quotes for that extra credibility boost. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for SK Logo Bar. You'll find this section here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and type Logo. Then choose that section, it'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. Click on any card and its settings open up on the left side. First, you can change its heading, and right below that, you can add the publisher's name for that card, though this is just a note visible only to you. Now let's choose another section and its settings open up the same way. I'll customize this one too, but this time let's just add a logo in SVG form, related to that specific card. For example, if I'm adding the Forbes logo, I'll write a related quote above it. You can go ahead and customize each card the same way, one by one. If 4 cards feel like too few for you, you can always add more. But honestly, 4 feels like enough for now, so let's delete this extra one. Once you're happy with everything, hit save, and this section goes live on your store too. And if you ever need a premium section that isn't available in your current theme, don't forget to check out Section Kit. Links right there in the description.